Welcome back everyone, and today I'll be showing you how to install Boyson power reed valves on the KX250. So this consists of three parts. So the best thing is to do is screw all the bolts in like this, a pre-bolt. Then you clean the surface here. It's very important to clean it. And then you screw the bolts on, and then you're done. So I've built it now, and if you hold the bottom side off to a sunlight or so, you're not allowed to look through it or it doesn't seal. So if you see any sunlight, I see a little bit, then it didn't seal.
Then you have to revisit it and recheck it. Should be a proper seal.
Maybe make it tighter. I don't think the screwdriver is gonna work. Already it's better.
Right, and a bit of advice for those of you who think that reed valves only apply to two strokes. Not the case. Your old XL500 had a reed box in as well. It works like a car's valve, intake valve. It actually prevents blowback into the carburetor. And on the XL500, 82, 81, 82 model, they built it in for those 2 years to actually enhance the low-end torque. Problems they encountered, a lot of stalling just by pulling off. So there's a bit of history on the reed cage. But yeah, we'll carry on with this build. Well, you can show them actually the black piece as well that goes into the reed box. That's to enhance the venturi flow into the motor. Right, cool. Yeah, I think the next stop will be engine in frame, or well, first the rear wheel. Right, welcome back everybody again. Okay, so Caleb has done the first reed cage. Please remember that you thoroughly clean the reed box. As he said, it's a 3-part unit that installs. The best is to pre-assemble it before you put it onto the reed box. It'll just fasten easier, and make sure that everything is flush. When you have done, you finish with the installation, and Caleb, you forgot one thing, but that's my mistake. I should have told you before putting in the screws. We need to install the plate as well. This little plate comes on top, but we'll show you now when we're done with it. This just goes on simply here, and then we'll tell you a bit more about the functionality of the reed valves. Stick around and we'll chat now about it.
Lagu ni terus. Nia. Ag nia record nia.